infringement happen, you can just check here. That claim is like as a circle, you can just check here. That something which is outside that claim, it is a like non-infringing. You have claims, say 10 claims are there, and something which is out of that 10, it is a non-infringing, and something which is like within that circle, within that particular 4 corners, you can say, that is particular. If it is somebody is like entering into that, it is just like fencing is there, no? It is like a tangible property. If you see, the fencing is there, and if somebody enters into that fence, you say that trespassing, and it is like a like you are immediately taking action against that. Similarly, this claim is determining that 4 corners, 4 like lines, or that that particular we can say the patents legal standing in the particular, we can say, the technology. And if somebody like uses that particular technology, that particular details, then it is